This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness. Was this a good idea? Was it? Oh. This is quite rapid for a non-rapid ride. Oh god. Oh, I'm already wet out. Oh my god. Oh god, mini drop. Oh, that was nice. Oh my god. Is it me or is it just getting faster and faster? Oh, it reminds me a bit of the Asterix log flume. Oh, how long is this?
Is it just this? I think it's just this 2W and then back.
Yeah. It's fast though, I'll give it that.
Yeah.
It's like the Lizzieberg one, which just shoots you round. Ooh. Oh my god, look at the water going up the bottom of that lift. Jesus. That is a, oh god. That is serious flow. Oh, here we go. How wet are we gonna get? No, that wasn't as bad as I was expecting. Oh, bonus splash. Yes, that was nowhere near as wet as one was expecting. I actually enjoyed that.